today we're gonna make a farm animal. I'm gonna show you all my farm animals.
Restart.
Today we're gonna make farm animal videos. Today I'm gonna show you all my animals. So first is this truck.
ATV.
That's an ATV, and then we got this cowboy, which is missing an arm. And then we got this cowboy. And then we got this guy. And then we got this cowboy, which he's missing an arm. And then next
Here, you have to put it in front of the light right here.
this is a ATV.
Okay.
This is a truck.
They know what it is. You just have to tell them what it's for.
This is a ram, a mama ram. And this is a beautiful horse. And this is a creepy man. And this is a horse. And this, I don't know if you can see, but this is
Here,
a
let me see
little
it.
piggy. A little
Hold on.
piggy.
See the nipples?
A little piggy.
See how I left the net earlier, guys? On our last vlog.
You gotta look at the last vlog. See? It's a rare pig. See?
Ryder. 2 more.
2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Like Spike.
Like Spike.
And turn the notification on, and I will shout you out if you subscribe, and turn the post notification on, and the winner gets an iPhone XS Plus.
And they get one of these balls.
Yeah, it comes in the package with the phone. We'll put it in there for y'all.
Yes, even it comes with one of my farm animals.
You sure?
Yes, it comes with a pig.
Wait, whoa. One more thing before this vlog's over. Go watch the next one. It's almost better than this one. Bye.